Hello my people, I welcome all of una to this ogbonge legal gist channel o. My whole name na Moses Mick, and for today's section we go dey look at the course wey we dey call law of tort. Under this law of tort, we go come look at the topic wey we dey talk about wey everybody know say na him we dey call introduction, definition or meaning of tort. Now we go come look at the definition of tort. But before we begin look at the definition of tort, e go dey essential for una to understand say this tort wey we dey talk, wey we wan define so no get one better or definite definition. Wetin I dey try talk? I dey try talk say we no get generally acceptable definition for the word tort. That is to say, no embracing definition. As English dem go talk am, dey talk say, in other words, there is no generally acceptable definition for the word tort. And as such, we get different academics wey don attempt to define wetin law of tort be. But if we look at all these leading textbook wey we say dey brekete wey boku well, we go see say e dey extremely difficult. We go see say the thing get as e be, and we no fit arrive for one satisfactory definition. And we no come get all embracing definition, because all these writers dem, all of them get their different formulation on top each state, and all of them dey give different definition as the way dem take see am. Make una no forget say na the way we take see something, and the way we take dey live for something, na the way we go take dey talk about am. So under law, we no fit get one better definition, or maybe we are not even talk better. One definition wey we say na im be the kampe definition wey we say everybody go gree body talk. But me, I no too tell una about that one now. Make I just give you, for the sake of this academical purpose, on top this legal gist, and I know say na wetin we dey about, we dey gist una on top law matter. So I go just tell una wetin be the technical meaning of tort. Me, I no go far. Una see, purely technical legal meaning of tort na im be say na wetin we dey call legal wrong, wey be say law don provide remedy for. Now, wetin be that legal wrong? That legal wrong na in law don primarily fix say nobody gats do am because e dey legally wrong. Make una no forget say I tell una say we get different academics and writers wey don define wetin be law of tort. So we go come dey consider all of them definition one by one. We go use Winfield definition as starting point, wey we go use explore the different difficulties and differences wey dey their definition. Una see Winfield, im talk say law of tort na tortious liability wey arise from the breach of a duty wey be say dey primarily fixed by law. Im talk say this duty dey towards persons generally, and the breach is redressable by an action for unliquidated damages. For this same tone, we get another person wey dey call Professor Sir John W. Salmond. For im own book, Salmond and Is Tort, Law of Tort, im talk say tort na one civil wrong wey be say remedy dey for under common law action for unliquidated damages and which no come dey exclusively the breach of contract, of the breach of trust, or other merely equitable obligations. On the other hand, we get person wey we dey call Codiline, abi na Codiline dey call am. Na him be one of the ogbonge Nigerian law writer for Naija, so, and na him don write wetin we dey call law of tort in Nigeria. So for im own Nigerian law of tort textbook, im talk say tort na one civil wrong wey involve breach of duty wey be say don dey fixed by primarily by law. Im say such duty dey owned to persons generally for Naija and the whole world, and its breach e dey redressable primarily by an action for damages. Una go see say all these writers dem get different definition and everything boku well. But if una look at this definition well, una go feel the duty, una go fit comot from am say tort na one breach of a civil duty wey be say dey imposed by law and owned towards all persons. That is to say, the breach of this duty wey law don fix usually dey always dey redressable by an award for unliquidated damages. Another one na injunction. Another remedy na other appropriate civil remedies. Me I no too talk na. Una go come see say the law of tort or the word tort no get one ogbonge definition wey everybody join body gree say na im we go dey use. But if you wan define law of tort as a lawyer abi law student, or even as una take dey wey be say una be layman, una must understand say some certain words suppose dey there. Words like primarily fixed by law, words like legal wrong, words like civil duty, words like imposed towards all persons, and words like redress, remedy, and unliquidated damages. Na him we dey talk. Make una no forget to subscribe to our channel, and make una no forget to always click that like button, and no also forget to on that thing wey una see wey be say na yellow, that alarm, so that anytime wey we bring any other video and wey we dey do another session, na una be the first person wey be say go dey notified. Thank you na very much, and this one na legal gist. Thank you.